Welcome to Universal Studios, and we've come along to have a look at the brick and stone breaking that's been going on. So there's suddenly been a hive of activity. You can see here the area here that we saw netted off in the last video now appears to be a very large scale area. You zoom right in, you can see that metal sheeting over the top. Now there's a possibility this was from badger sets. So I did a video where I was about here and there was a wildlife camera, so there's a possibility there was a badger set. Now it's all cleared off. You see here there's see that tanker being moved. The large water tanker there. I guess they're going to fill up the tractor, you can see. As we move along, see here this stone crusher machine has clearly been busy, as there used to be a massive pile of stone here, and they've been crushing all of this and then spreading it around the site. And you can see around this back bit here, there's a digger there. You can see this area here has all been crushed and spread over the old concrete pad. So lots happening. There's a bridge there on site now. Quite a busy site now. You can see the environmental area there as we come across. Just had a bird fly underneath the drone. So the trailer there that's brought in a bit of equipment. All been unloaded now. Looks like it's more of that mat that we saw before. Another bird flies past. It's been all unloaded already. See that 3 more there on the ground. This is the area here at the back now being used to store equipment. Just to the rear of the properties. See that storage area. What is that there? Is that some kind of security system maybe? Maybe some monitoring on the hole on the ground. This huge area now being stacked up with all the plastics that they use to cordon off areas on the concrete pad. Nothing else happening in the back area. It's all concentrated on this area here where I think it was likely a fox or a badger set even. Head towards it. Up nice and high, so not causing any kind of distraction. You can see there the digger on the left, as shown in Project Universal's video last night. All floodlit now to allow working into the darker evenings. That stone crusher on the right has clearly crushed a load of stone. This water probably used to keep the dust down and suppress the dust. See another floodlight there. Station announcement. Spin right round. The pile of stone that was here is now gone. The lorry has made its delivery and is heading off. Personally can't see that this is going to be the entrance and exit for much longer. Let's see how difficult it is for this truck to exit here. This is makeshift security entrance. As the truck leaves there, one chap on security. But this road has skip lorries running up and down it all day. It's not the biggest road in the world. There's actually a weight restriction to the right if the truck turned right. You can see there's the truck making that turn using both sides of the road. I assume they'll be very quickly dealt with when these houses are demolished. There's a fire assembly point. I was wondering what the sign was. See the rear of the properties that we know they've owned. That is the extent of what's owned there. There is one further down, if we can catch it where the drone is. I think it's maybe the second one from the end. And then there's the two large houses. There we are, we can see those from here. There's the two large houses that they bought a few weeks ago. There's that truck heading off in the distance. Let's get back to what we came here for anyway. So, security fence, been here forever. Here we are, stone breaking. So that's what we can have a look at. So there is this area here. You can see where the meshing was put down. Badges had to be relocated off-site before the end of the month. So this meshing would indicate to me that they've now been relocated into their new homes and the old sets have been closed. So in the last video about the environmental work, how the new sets had cameras pointing at them to check they were being occupied. So I have a digger currently sitting idle. It's good to see actual progress here on the concrete slab area. Some of this will be repurposed for the landslip area, and there was on the planning docs for that, they said there might be some confusion as people see the works being done to break up the concrete to be used down here. This is where the landslip is. I'm not going to go there, it's far too far away, but it's right down there in the distance next to the Cemex plant, and that's where it's getting repaired. Is someone there? What's that? There is plenty of stuff happening on the pad here, and it's good to see it actually taking place. Hopefully we'll get news on the SDO any day now. But I have some positivity with the budget. You can see there the huge tanker is filling the little one on the back of the tractor. So that'll be filling that one up, so they can use that as they're breaking up the stones just to suppress the dust. Amazing how this is going to turn into a theme park. But yeah, there's the site today. Lots of environmental workers still here. And I'll bring the drone back to where we are and get you a nice overview shot. Then park down here. Spin the drone. drone back. Another train arriving. That's the fast trains arriving.
When you are on any of the platforms, please ensure you remain behind the yellow line so that you are not near the platform edge. Staff may approach you if you are not in a position of safety. Thank you.
You can see there the site as it is on the 13th of November. Look forward to being some actual proper progress here. These little bits of environmental work are great to see. I can't wait till this starts turning into a proper site. The houses getting demolished. And this is going to be a world-class theme park being developed here.